In this video, I will explain a logical function of Microsoft Excel called switch. Pay your attention while watching this video to understand the process better. Let's begin. What exactly is the switch function? The switch function is one of Excel's logical functions. This function will compare a provided expression or value to a list of values and return the first matching value as a result. If no matching value is found, an optional default value will be returned. Switch was introduced in MS Excel 2016 and is not accessible in previous versions. The function, however, was previously accessible in VBA. Instead of nested if functions, the switch function might be used. Switch open parenthesis expression comma value 1 comma result 1 comma open bracket default or value 2 comma result 2 close bracket. Open bracket default or value 3 comma result 3 close bracket close parenthesis. The following parameters are sent to the switch functions. Expression, mandatory argument. This can be a number, a date, or any text to compare. Equal switch, open parenthesis, expression, comma value 1, comma result 1, close parenthesis is the syntax for switch. Open parenthesis, open bracket, default or value 2, comma result 2, close bracket, comma etc. dot close bracket. The section between the square brackets is optional. This function allows you to change particular results to a different outcome. You could do it. Consider this to be comparable to using the find and replace commands, but may change many items at the same time. Assume that you have a worksheet that lists veggies that are known by various names in different countries or regions, and you want to change this name to match the name called in your country. You might discover each word and replace it one by one, or you could use the switch function to generate a formula, as demonstrated in the following example. Equal switch open parenthesis F4 comma quotation mark aubergine quotation mark comma quotation mark eggplant quotation mark comma quotation mark chicory quotation mark comma quotation mark endive quotation mark comma quotation mark swede quotation mark comma quotation mark rutabaga quotation mark comma quotation mark courgette quotation mark comma quotation mark zucchini quotation mark comma F4 close parenthesis. This formula looks at the value in cell F4 and changes it to eggplant if it contains aubergine, endive if it has chicory, and so on. If F4 lacks any of those terms, the function will return the original value of F4. Then, to clean up the worksheet, copy the result and paste it as values on top of the original data to eliminate the formula. Excellent! Switch may be used with other functions. You can combine switch with weekday. This was all from my side to guide you about Microsoft Excel's built-in logical function called switch. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.